Inside the animate function, so inside here, which is in here, you will need to draw each of the platforms onto the canvas. Add a for each loop that iterates through the platforms array. So array, platforms array. I think it is referring to this one, variable platforms. And the reason why I think this is the platforms array is that because we use a map method, which is a generated array from this original array, which is the platform's position. As you can see, we have accessed the platform positions here with the map method as interpolated in here. So we basically generated a new array from this array. So that is why the reason I think that is the platforms, which is referred to the instruction. And so it says add a for each loop into this array, the newly generated array. Inside the callback function, add a platform parameter. Anyways, the first thing we would do is that we have to call the platform and then interpolate the for each. And the for each, the platforms rather, because we are trying to iterate because we are trying to iterate inside this newly generated array. So a for each method is actually a method used for arrays. So we access an array, which is this one, and then interpolated the method for each. And it says inside the callback function, which is inside here again, add a platform parameter. So callback function looks like this: a parentheses, an arrow pointing to the right, and a curly braces for the functionalities for this callback. So, and inside here is where we input the parameter or the arguments sometimes, and in our case that would be the platform. We will be explaining this more. Let's just try to solve the activity. And inside the callback function, so inside here, add the platform parameter. Okay, for the body. Oh, there it is. This is the body again. This is the body, and call draw method on each platform. So to call the draw method is that we would first have to call the platform and then interpolate the method draw. So let's take a step back. So we know that platforms is an array generated, a newly generated array, which is this one with the use of the map method from the original array, which is the platform positions. So that is the platforms array, and we used a for each method for this accessed array. And inside is that and inside the for each rather is that there is a callback, wherein the callback function is that we accessed the platform parameter and interpolated the draw method. So essentially, we accessed an array, and then we also accessed each of the elements inside the array called platforms and named it a parameter platform. So that would be the elements inside the array platforms. And there would be a callback function, which is the body. We called in the individual element inside the array platforms and interpolated the draw method. So we are telling JavaScript to is that we inside the array platforms, which is the individual elements called platform, is that we draw each of those or each or wait or each or each of those elements from the platforms array is that we use the draw method. That's it. Oh my, I'm sorry, but I hope you get that right, and that would be it. Nice.